Hey friends, it's Mr. Chat again. In this video, I'm going to read you a story. You don't have this story. This is just mine, okay? But I'm going to read you a story that's going to help us learn about plant and animal characteristics. That means we're going to learn about how to describe or how to tell what plants and animals look like, how to compare them using our words, okay? And this story is called Exploring the Beach. After we're done reading this story, you're going to get your workbook, okay? So you don't have this one. I'm just going to read this to you, and you're going to listen and learn. After I'm done with the story, you're going to get your workbook, okay? Stemscopedia has a big K on it, okay? And you're going to turn to page 57. And at the top it says plant and animal characteristics, okay? So after we're done with the story, you're going to come to this page, and we're going to work on it together, okay? Alright, so first let's read our story. Exploring the beach. Brian loves to go to the beach. He likes to play in the water, but mostly he likes exploring. First, he sees a crab. Watch out for those pinchers. Ouch. It has a hard shell, too. They are both used for protection. Brian thinks of another animal with a hard shell. A sea turtle. There are lots of birds near the beach. Their beaks help them get food. That's how they grab their food, with their beaks. Brian puts on his mask and snorkel. What do you think he can see underwater? Lots of fish. They use their fins and tail to help them move through the water. There's their tail and their fins, so they can move through the water. What other animals have fins? Dolphins and sea lions. Look at the eel. You see him back in there? It's hard to see, I know. He's right in this cave. What land animal is like an eel? A snake. They use their tails to move. Brian sees lots of plants underwater. See the plant? These plants grow on top of the water. Brian had a great time at the beach. What do you like to do at the beach? Alright, so now that we've finished our story, okay, we're going to go to our workbook. So get your workbook and go to page 57. Okay. Here we are. So find page 57. When you're there, we'll begin. It says plant and animal characteristics. I see a frog, a bird, a moose. What are these other animals? A bear. Alright, here we go. You ready? Alright. Plant and animal characteristics. Can you read that with me? Plant and animal characteristics. Some animals are the same color, some are not. The frog is green. The snake is green. The bird is red. Now you try. Circle the animals that are brown. Look at all these animals. Circle the ones that are brown. Is that one brown? Is that one brown? How about this one? Is that animal brown? Circle it if it's brown. You ready? Alright, let's go to the next page. Reflect. Some animals are large, others are small. An elephant is large. A mouse is small. Animals have different body coverings. The bird has feathers. Try now. Now you try. Look at the animals below. What are their body coverings? Write the word feathers, fur, or scales. So we have three words here. feathers, fur, or scales? What are those? So let's learn. A bird has what? Feathers, fur, or scales? A lizard has feathers, fur, or scales? A polar bear has feathers, fur, or scales? Put the correct word under the picture. A bird, a lizard, and a polar bear. Which one has feathers? Which one has fur? Which one has scales? Write the words on the line below. I'll give you a moment to finish. You almost done? You got feathers? You got fur? You have scales? Did you write all the words? Where'd they go? Alright, finish up. If you didn't finish, come back and finish, okay? Let's go to the next page. Reflect. Some leaves have different shapes. Look at the different shapes. The leaves are wide and flat. The leaves are short and spiky. These are both leaves, but they look very different. They have different shapes. Now you try. Circle the leaves that are wide and flat. Draw a box around the leaves that are short and thorny. This one's wide and flat, so I'm going to circle it. This one's short and thorny, so I'm going to draw a box around it. Are you going to circle this one or draw a box? What about this one? It says circle the leaves that are wide and flat. Draw a box around the leaves that are short and thorny. You decide. Are these wide and flat or short and thorny? What about this one? Circle the leaves that are wide and flat. Draw a box around the leaves that are short and thorny. Alright, if you're not finished, you come back, okay? Let's keep moving. Next page. Look out! Animals have body parts. Many animals have a head and eyes. They also have limbs. Limbs are hands or feet. Let's see a few. The zebra has legs. Legs are a kind of limb. The duck has wings. Wings are a kind of limb. The seal has flippers. Flippers are a kind of limb. Plants have parts too. Leaf, stem, roots. Now you try. Look at the plant below. Circle the roots. Box the leaves. So I'm going to put a circle around the roots, put a box around the leaves, and draw an arrow to the stem like this. So find the roots and circle them. Find the leaves and put a box around them. Find the stem and put an arrow on it. Y'all done? Alright, friends. We learned about plant and animal characteristics. We learned about limbs, parts of a plant, large and small animals, animal coverings, feathers, scales, and fur, wide and flat leaves, long and short and spiky leaves. We'll learn about colors of animals, okay? Alright, see you next time, friends.